Hi everyone, welcome back to Function Pilates. Let's begin by placing the foam block under your left foot and lie on your back. Fully supported with your arms, push both feet into the floor and bridge the hips up. Focus on squeezing your glutes to help support your back and allow them to assist you as you elevate the hips. Take an exhale to bridge up and inhale to lower. Think about the ribs knitting together and drawing the abs in tight. Focus on contracting the glutes as you bridge the hips up and relaxing the glutes as you lower down. On the 10th repetition, take a pause at the top and float the right leg to tabletop. Keep the knee in 90 degrees and begin to hinge from your hip, lowering the leg down but not allowing your foot to touch the floor. We'll do 3 repetitions here. Beautiful. Carefully, let's go ahead and shift the block over to the right foot, and we'll repeat. Exhale to squeeze the glutes and bridge the hips up. Again, fully supported with your arms, opening wide through the collarbone, relaxing with the jaw. Take an exhale to bridge the hips and an inhale to lower. On that 10th repetition, you're going to hold the hips up, float the left leg, and begin to hinge from the hip and lower. The foot does not have to touch the floor. Beautiful, abs are in, and then relax the spine all the way back down. Awesome. Let's take the block and place it between our knees. Keep those feet, again, parallel hip distance apart. Bridge both hips up and lower the hips down. Exhale, lift. And inhale, lower. Giving that foam block a nice, comfortable squeeze there to activate your inner thighs. Exhale and inhale. Beautiful. Let's take a moment here at the top and squeeze gently in for 10 repetitions at your own pace. And on the 10th one, lower the spine all the way back down again. Beautiful. Let's extend the left leg. Let's bridge up. Let's lower it back down. You got to keep squeezing equally between the knees as you elongate out through the left foot. 2 more. Exhale, lift. Inhale, down. Hold it at the top and squeeze with both knees again. 10 repetitions, little pulses. Squeeze inward, in. Activate those inner thighs. Perfect. Beautiful. Let's do the other side. Extend that right leg, point out through those toes, bridge the hips up. We have 5 here. Squeeze with the glutes. Relax on the way down. Exhale to lift. Good. 2 more. And hold at the top here. Good. Squeeze equally with both your knees in for 10 repetitions. Awesome. You have it. Soft jaw, shoulders relax, and lower everything back down again. Excellent. Let's go and take the block. And we're going to go ahead and place it in between our ankles. Come to your forearms, keep your chest open, and begin to extend the legs. Bend the knees. Reach out, really drawing those abs down and in to completely support your low back. You're going to feel those inner thighs. You're going to feel the tops of your thighs. Perfect. 10 reps here. Excellent. Exhaling and inhale to pull in. Good. You're going to begin to lower and lift the legs here, up and down. Another 10 repetitions. Shoulders are away from those ears. Jaw is soft. Taking those inhales through the nose and exhales from the mouth. You got it. And slowly we're going to lower those legs down. And once you've completed those 10 repetitions, go ahead and take a moment to pull those knees in and relax it. On your side, we're going to challenge you and balance the block on top of your ankle. Try to keep your foot parallel. That is the key ingredient here to keep the balance of the block on top of your ankle. We're gonna really target the glutes here. So as you're on your side, your lower leg is supporting you and balancing you. And then we're going to float gently with the top leg. Again, try to keep it controlled so that you are not losing the block here. If you keep losing it, pay attention to your foot. Is it in parallel? Is the toes looking up too much? Are the toes looking down too much? It's challenging, it's hard. Of course, if you're getting frustrated, you don't need the block, but see if you can challenge yourself here. It's gonna isolate the glutes so much more. Continue to breathe. Find a pace that works well for you. We're almost there, guys. Good, and then we're gonna lower and lift here, 10 repetitions. Again, focusing on the outer part of the hip. Exhale up, inhale to lower. Check in with your body. Are those abs drawn in? Are the shoulders relaxed? Are you clenching your teeth? Take inventory of your body here. Good, on that 10th one, we are done, and bring that block in. Good work. Let's go ahead and come up to all four, and you're gonna place the block on the floor with your right knee completely supported on it. Shoulders over the wrists, palms are flat. We're gonna take an exhale, lift high with the left leg. Point up, flex down. Now be mindful of what's happening with your spine. So we don't want to round the spine, we want to maintain neutral position. So abs are drawn up and in. Exhale it. Squeeze that butt cheek as you lift, relax as you lower. And 10 repetitions here. Excellent. We're going to go ahead and take that left leg out to the side and over to the right. Good, so big windshield wipers here. The challenge is to keep your hips completely square to the floor. And of course, that right leg should be feeling it. That's the intention, is to continue to isolate the muscles and strengthen the muscles in the right hip. Perfect. Keep breathing. Keep softening through your shoulders and relaxing your jaw. Almost there. And bring it in. Awesome work, guys. All right, let's take it to the other side. So find yourself on your right forearm. We're gonna go ahead and have that bottom leg bent for balance. You're gonna place the block on top of the left foot. Again, it's a new side, take your time. Once you're ready, begin to bring that leg forward and take it back. Inhale it forward. Exhale it back. Good. Again, take your time. Focus on, is the foot in parallel position? Is the ankle in line with the knee? Is the knee in line with the hip? We want perfect alignment here as best as we possibly can get. Good. Inhale forward, exhale it back. Let's take it into those lower and lifts here. You're going to inhale it down and you're going to exhale right back up again. Keep balancing the block. Relaxing your shoulders, trying not to dump into your right shoulder or your right armpit, but really staying lifted. So pull those obliques up and in. Good. Exhale it up, inhale it down. Just feeling those hips getting stronger. We're almost there, guys. And relax it. Beautiful. Setting ourselves back up to all fours. Let's go ahead and place that block on the floor. Left knee is going to gently be supported by it. Shoulders over the wrists. Reach out with that right leg. Abs up and in. Let's go ahead and point to lift the leg. Flex to lower it down. Good. Squeeze those glutes on the lift. Relax them on the way down. Again, trying to maintain stability through your shoulders, keeping those hips square to the floor, trying not to hike one hip up higher than the other. Exhale, lift, inhale to lower. Good, back to those windshield wipers. And these are challenging enough, so if you need to decrease the range of motion because you feel too much instability through the hips, that's completely okay. Good. Abs up, shoulders down, squeeze with the glutes. halfway through. Good, nice work, guys. Returning back to the center and coming right off. Awesome. We're on our last variation here with our legs, so you're gonna go ahead and stand up, balance on top of the block. Again, we're challenging you. We're exercising all those muscles in the foot here. Go ahead and find a steady point, and then you're gonna drop your left hip and hike it up. So this is gonna correct any misalignment that's occurring in your hips. So you may feel a stretch more than the other side, but again, we're targeting the glutes here. We're challenging all those intrinsic muscle groups of your feet and your toes. If you need to hold on to something, by all means, go for it. And our last part here, you're going to dive forward and then come to standing. Soften the right knee, stand up super tall. Soften with the right knee, stand up tall. Good, keep the chest open. Again, take your time. We're doing 10 repetitions here, but do what feels right for you. Even if it's 2 good ones, that is successful. Good, exhale it up. Inhale, dive forward. Keeping your balance, and then carefully coming off, and we'll switch to the opposite side. Again, starting with those lower and lifts of the hip. So find the middle part of the block, stand firmly, draw those abs in, and begin to dip the right hip down and hike it, exaggerate the hike all the way up. Good. Inhale to drop, exhale to lift. Do you have more range of motion on this side? So check in. Ask yourself these questions. What is your body feeling? At the same time, shoulders are relaxed and the jaw is soft. And our goal is to stand up very tall here, like you're balancing a book at the top of your head. Good job, guys. And then we'll take it into our final part here. You're gonna reach those arms, stand up nice and tall. Inhale to reach. Exhale, squeeze the glute. That's gonna help you stabilize yourself. Exhale to reach. Relax those toes if you're overly gripping the block. And if you fall off, get right back on. It's totally fine. Good. Inhale to reach. Exhale, stand up tall. We're almost there, guys. You're doing great. Awesome. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and send to your friends and family around the world, and we'll see you next time.